welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 1 High Retro OGs in the Electro orange color scheme. Let's take a quick sneak peek. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new here, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up, as these do mean the world to the channel. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions that you may have down below. Be sure to hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an awesome merch store. So be sure to head over there to add some Shade Gang gear to your clothing collection this summer. All right, so as mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about the Air Jordan 1 OG highs in the Electro orange color scheme. So we're going to start off by doing an overview, and then we're going to jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled these. I know, I get it. People think that this is a fall colorway, but I wanted to bring some Space Jam into the mix since the movie is now out over the weekend. So I wanted to kind of theme it with the movie. So definitely stick around for that. And then we're going to conclude with how these shoes are currently doing on the resale market. All right, so let's jump into this overview, starting with the frontal portion of the shoe. We've got that crisp white underlay on the toe box and the white leather. You can see that it's nice and tumbled. We've got the frontal portion of the toe box in that nice crisp black, which goes perfectly with the nylon black tongue. We've got simple black laces that I've laced this up with. I will bring out in a moment the two other color options, which are the orange and white laces. I was gonna do the orange, but then I was like, do I do the black? I kept the black just because I really wanted you to see the color blocking throughout the shoe, but I do think that these would be fire with the orange laces. So as we work our way to the top, you'll see that we've got some pops of that electro or electric orange on the Nike swoosh with the Nike Air in white, which really pops off of that black that's on the tongue there. So let's just take a quick little peek at those details before we move on to the side panels. So before we move to the side panels of the shoe, I just want to give you a quick little look at the two color options that they gave you if you are not feeling the black, which I've actually worn orange laces on my Air Jordan 1 Mochas, and I think they look fire, but this is definitely, I think, my favorite choice out of the three colorways that they gave us. But I don't mind the black. I think it's subtle. It really helps that electro orange just really pop off of the shoe since there's very subtle accents of it, but you also have the option to add the white. I think this is probably my least favorite of the three colorways that we were given, but I would say orange, black, then white if I were to kind of choose which lace I think would go best with this colorway. All right, so now let's move on and talk about the side panels, the medial and lateral sides of the shoe. We've got that nice underlay of the white leather. I know that some of you were saying that this was just too simplistic for you and you didn't want as much white, but you know, it really just plays very well, I think, with the color options of the black overlays. We've got the black Nike swoosh. As we wrap around, you'll see that we've got this beautiful kind of metallic-y electro orange. It's almost a satiny look if you look close and as I kind of move it around in the light, but that collar just really pops. Working our way to the inside, we've got more of a shiny kind of collar as well that I think works well with the metallic tones and that Electro orange on the back side of the collar. On the inside, we've got this Nike Air, but it's like an older design here with a nice kind of tag look to it, which is quite cool. And then we've got the swoosh mark, which is in a orange color scheme. Working our way to the other side, we've got the wings in a simplistic black, which I think really pops off of the white leather underlays. Again, some nice tumbled white leather that we're seeing and that black Nike swoosh. The shoe is then completed by that nice, simple white midsole and the pop on the outsole in the Electro orange colorway to finish the shoe off. All right, let's take a look at those final and last details. Moving on to size. So for the Air Jordan 1 highs, I typically stick true to size. So I'm a 7.5 in men's, and this was true to size. I have high, narrow feet with high arches. I have high arch feet with narrow, very, very narrow. And if you have wider flat feet, that will also probably differentiate which shoe size works best for you. Again, I do like to have a little extra space in the toe box region, and I do like to wear thicker socks. So this also may differ what size also will work best for you depending on how you like to wear your shoes. All right, so for this one, stick true to size. Moving on to styling. Again, I really wanted to bring some of these colors out, but since the Space Jam movie, A New Legacy, is out with LeBron James, I really wanted to kind of theme it with that movie. So starting off with the first look, I actually wore this kind of bandeau top, which has like Space Jam all over it, the logos, and it has these great oranges that really work so well with the Electro orange in this specific shoe. I paired that with a denim jacket and some denim shorts. This denim jacket is literally so sick. It's got the whole entire Toon Squad on the back, and it's just nicely embroidered the way that they did it. But again, look at how great the oranges really pop off of this coat, and I think it just, in that simple detail, really goes so well with Electro orange in this shoe. And obviously denim is just a nice look, especially in this lighter tone. We've got Space Jam, A New Legacy on the front. Again, just some subtle hues of that Electro orange that I think matches so well with this specific coloring scheme on the shoe. But just definitely wanted to kind of give it a nice little denim look for the first option. And then we got, you know, a little bit more athletic with the next two options. So I decided to wear this cute Space Jam cropped top slash kind of jersey. It's got Lola on there. Lola is like one of my favorite characters in Space Jam from the original, and she's going up to Mega Basket, and we've got, again, just pops of that bright orange, which I think, again, just is subtle, but it goes so well with the coloring scheme on this shoe. We've got Toon Squad, Tweety, and Bugs Bunny on the back of this little cropped jersey. So this was just a nice touch, which I think is a great theme for this weekend. I then paired that with some nice, just windbreaker style pants, and this time I paired it with a white tone, just because I think the all white look really goes well with how much white leather you're seeing on this specific shoe. last and final look, I decided to switch it up pants wise, and I went with an all orange pant to really just kind of play off of that Electro orange. I think also adding more orange to your look can go very well. Doesn't need to be a Halloween look necessarily, so this is definitely something I would wear in the summertime and not the fall. And I paired that with another Toon Squad cropped top that's sleeveless, and we got Tasmanian Devil, Marvin the Martian, and Bugs Bunny on the front there. And again, just nice hues of that orange that I think really, again, just accent the shoes so nicely. So you let me know, out of the 3 looks, how are you rocking some Space Jam apparel, or how would you decide to style these?
My dreams, delusion and reality, I'm somewhere in between. These voices in my head get loud and they keep telling me that I'm a fool for trusting in these wings. But maybe, baby, this what flying feels like. Just drinking themselves crazy tonight. Maybe I should call and say, told you I'd be right. Wondering how long it was before you realized the biggest mistake of your life, and now you're paying the price. Oh, is it confidence or confusion? Either way, I feel like I ain't never losing. Your opinion of mine, you know just what I'm choosing. I gotta do this, cause I can't fall asleep at night without seeing my dreams. Delusion and reality, I'm somewhere in between. These voices in my head get loud and they keep telling me that I'm a fool for trusting in these wings. But maybe, baby, this what flying feels like. Maybe, baby, this what flying feels like. Feels like. Maybe, maybe this what flying feels like. Feels like. Maybe, baby, this what flying feels like. Maybe, baby, this what flying feels like.
Because I'm going to be watching it tonight since my event kind of got rained out, but not to worry, they're having another one tomorrow. So you guys will be able to see that footage on tomorrow's videos that we post, but I'm excited to see this movie and tell you my thoughts on it tomorrow. All right, so now let's conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale market. These definitely sold out as expected. I know a lot of people were complaining that this wasn't something they could fit into their style this season, but I do think that this is going to be an insanely great colorway for the fall, specifically during the Halloween time. I mean, black and orange. Definitely those who love, orange and black, this is definitely a great shoe for you. It retails for $170, and currently, depending on what size you are, this is going between $210 and $300 on the higher price point side of things. So that is it for this video. Hope everybody is having an amazing Saturday. Thanks so much if you joined me this morning for our Coffee with Shade, as well as our giveaway that we did last night with Roscoe. I was able to give actually a Funko Pop that was LeBron James from the movie. So congratulations to all those winners. You'll be receiving hopefully all of your pieces this week. But if you are new today, thanks so much for tuning in. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, feel free to leave me any comments or questions that you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming up that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out those membership tiers as well as our merch store. And for those of you who've not turned those notifications on, we are having Seth Fowler on Shade Selects this Monday, so be sure to turn on those notifications so you are alerted as soon as that video is going live. All right, that's it for this episode. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next one.